Melissa is from Food Science and Technology. Last semester we have here two students from Belgium. Studying, they made some subjects in Food Science and Technology here, and they like a lot to be here, and so we start to have some connections with the University of Ghent. Probably in September I will be there to visit their university. And so I think that Melissa will start our communication.
Okay. So I'm Melissa. I'm from Belgium, from the University College of Ghent. And before I start my lecture, I want to give you a little bit more information about the bachelor program where I teach, so you also know where I come from. So I lecture in the bachelor program Agro and Biotechnology, and I mainly teach in the option Food Technology. So I think you are also students Food Technology, and when I compare the programs, it's very similar. Only one problem, and we teach, for example, rheology in semester 1, and you will do that in semester 2, but the content is very similar. So we are located in Ghent, and you maybe know Belgium from its famous food products such as the French fries, beer. We are very famous for our beer or chocolates and our waffles. These are two pictures of our locations. We have two campuses for food technology, one in Ghent, so near the train station, near the center, and one a bit outside of Ghent in Melle. It's a very, very small town.
Moose is missing. Moose also. In Belgium, the moose.
Oh, the moose.
It's missing.
The moose, yes. But we have a lot of different kinds of products. Me, myself, my mom's a baker, so we have a lot of pastry that is very good, so you should visit Belgium for its food. When we look at our bachelor program, we have some domains in the food technology, so we spend a lot of time around food safety and quality, around the products and the processing of different kinds of foods, management and the society. When we look at the food industry, sustainability is getting more and more important, especially for the companies in Belgium. We don't have a lot of space, so we need to produce very efficiently. These are some pictures of our students in the laboratories making cheese or milling grains. And we also let our students develop new products such as granola. I don't know if you know it. It's very famous in Belgium now, and we try to be trendy and hip in the development of our new foods. We also collaborate with the food industry extensively, mainly because sometimes we have lack of infrastructure, and then we turn to the companies to organize field trips, so we do a lot of visits. We have a lot of food companies in Flanders, in Belgium, so we are a bit spoiled when it comes to the food industry. We really have a lot of different kinds of companies. So sometimes we visit them, sometimes we teach in the company, so in their laboratories or in their R&D departments, but we also do research with them, or sometimes we show our products. They are also interested in what our students think of food products, what they invent, because they are very creative, and sometimes gets picked up by the industry, and it goes then to the market. So that's a bit about our education program. I don't know where you will work once you are graduated, but when we look at our students, 55% end up in the food industry. There are also other divisions where they end up, like at the government as an inspector, for example, or in the chemistry industry because it pays a little bit more than the food industry, or some students also end up in research or education. When we look at the job positions they are active in on the labor market, a lot of our students end up in quality. So the quality division is an important division in the food industry, so a lot of our students end up as quality assistant, sometimes as quality manager or as quality inspector. There are also students who become a teacher, a manager, do consultancy for the companies concerning legislation, etc. And this one is very popular, but only 3% of our students end up in the R&D, the product development, but it's very popular, but not a lot of students can work there. And sometimes they also choose another direction and don't end up in the food industry. So that's a bit information about our bachelor program. Today I want to talk to you about the sugar replacement in Belgian chocolates. I did not know if you were familiar with chocolates, but I know you have a teacher.
I like eating.
So I would like to start with some information about the production process of chocolate before I start talking about the sugar replacement.
And lecture about chocolate, we don't have.
Oh, great. Okay. Did you have classes about the production process of chocolate? No? Okay, great. I want to start. Okay. We have 3 very large companies in Belgium who produce chocolate. It's Body Callebaut, very famous for quality chocolate. We also have Puratos, a division of Puratos, Belcolade, and we also have Cargill. It's a very huge multinational. And I received 2 short movies from Body Callebaut about the production process of chocolate. So I want to show them to you before I give some explanation. And it gives you a bit of a view on how it's processed. So we want to start from the tree, the cocoa tree, to